Hi guys. So now in this video I'm going to show you guys XL size Avasa and Fusion umbrella top and fish cut tops. So prices which I'm going to mention is without shipping. So if you want to book, three pieces will come in 1 kg. Shipping will be 100 rupees per kg. Okay. So you can take a screenshot and send it to the booking number which I'm going to mention in the description. Okay. So we'll start guys. See, this is a beautiful top with both side adjustable strings, uh, collar and 3/4 sleeves pattern, just 400. This is a very nice rayon material top. Okay, you can see the pattern also. Flare is very nice, and this is strings here. Your price is 550. This top, you can see the pattern. This is little light embroidery work here and in sleeves, both the places. Your price is just 500. This is a boat cut top with little embroidery on the neck here, little embroidery here and here. Your price is just 450. Okay, prices which I'm going to mention, guys, it's all without shipping. Which shipping you'll have to add 100 rupees per kg. So now this is a very nice flared kurti. So this kurti 1699 MRP, umbrella top. You can see the flare, and this comes to you at 800. This is also 1499 MRP, Avasa brand top with both side adjustable strings. So both side strings are there. Okay, no, it's a belt here. This is all embroidery work here, and your price is just 700. The pattern is also little different, guys. Please look at the full pattern also. This is an umbrella top with both side strings. Your price is 550. This is a top with overlay. Your price is 500. Okay, and this top with collar and 3/4 sleeves and full length. Your price is 500 only. Rayon material. This is a kaftan, guys. Maximum selling nowadays. You can see this is a light embroidery work, cotton material. Your price is just 500. This is a simple straight cut kurti, cotton material. All this is thread work. Okay, your price is 400. This is a top, full length top with belt. Your price is 500. Okay, this is a overlay kurti. Okay, you can see here there is a overlay. Okay, and your price is 500. Little embroidery. This is little embroidery on the chest. Rest all is printing. Your price is 500. This top is a boat cut top. This comes with pocket in both the sides. Okay, for 450 only. Plain mustard. This is Kimaira brand top. Okay, full rayon material. Sleeveless, guys. This doesn't have sleeves inside. I'm mentioning again, this doesn't have sleeves inside. Okay, but very heavy material, rayon material. Your price is just 500. This is very beautiful top, guys. Cotton material. You can see the material is very nice of this top. This is full work here. 1499 MRP. Your price is 700. This is cotton material. Simple cotton sleeveless top, but sleeves is there inside in this. Okay, your price is just 500. This is Kimaira brand. Embroidery work, black. This is full heavy embroidery work, and your price is 500. This is also Kimaira brand. Guys, Kimaira brand, I've got very nice response in my previous videos. That's why I've started to buy this also. See, this is a very nice top, just for 500. Okay, this is Fusion beads. You can see the pattern. I've shown in last video also. I've got bulk quantity of this. That's why I've been showing in different videos. This is a different pattern where there is a cut on the shoulder. 1899 MRP, but your price is just 400. This is a different top. You can see this is full embroidery work here, even on the sleeves. Your price is 600. Very, very beautiful top. This is full embroidery work here. Very nice flare. Heavy rayon material. 1699 MRP. Your price is just 800. This is collar and waist strings is there. Full button pattern. Okay. 500 only. Rayon material. One more color I have got in this.
यहाँ से जो हम लोग कपड़ा लेके गए थे ना बिल्डिंग में कारपेंटर वाले, यहाँ से लेके जाते हैं ना, 40 रुपए से हम आके देंगे तो वो चाबी रूम.
This is collar pattern with waist belt. Your price is 500. Okay, this top is very nice rayon material, heavy rayon material with different cut pattern. Your price is just 550, guys. So you're getting very, very beautiful color patterns, designs. We are trying to source it from different places. This is lightweight cotton. Okay, your price is just 400. This is rayon material, little work on the neck, and your price is just 500. Thank you, guys.